Now from this box, you can't tell exactly what this is, but this is actually for balloon decoration. So I'll give you a little example here. See, it's like a balloon arch. And so you can make stuff kind of like that in your house. So it has all of the clamps needed, of the other little pieces needed. Here's the clamps for the table. You can see they just screw right onto the table, and then your poles go into here. And then your pole is put together kind of like a tent. So you can see the cables are all attached, and this pole will go together one way to arch over from this one to this one, and then in the end, it'll look like that. So that's kind of what you can expect from this product if you were to buy one of these. It doesn't come with balloons or anything like that. You got to get your own balloons, but it does have the cool knotter to tie the balloons, and then all of these little pieces go onto here. So these right here, so you're able to attach the balloons to make it look like this. So there you go. That's it for this balloon arch kit. Special thanks to the company for sending this product to me.